everyone. So our topic for today is the law of vibration. So everything that we need is already here. The difference between the eyes and the steam is the vibration. So what is the law of vibration? It is the idea that everything vibrates, and it is the constant motions that our thoughts and emotions shapes our reality. It is the fundamental law of the universe that present in many spiritual and metaphysical tradition. So everything vibrates. The law of vibration states that everything, including the physical objects, thoughts, and emotions, vibrates a specific frequency. So the difference between where you go and where do you want to go is the vibrations. Thoughts and emotions shapes reality. The law of vibrations suggests that our thoughts and emotions create vibrations that shapes our experience. For example, positive emotions like love and gratitudes vibrate a higher frequency. Rising vibrational frequency, some spiritual practices like meditations are used to raises one's vibrations frequency. So it's a co-creating reality. A law of vibration suggests that we are creator of our reality. So example, the motions of the sounds of voice and examples of vibrations that travel through air and water. The vibrations created by actively brain cells and body allows us to move our hands. So it is very important that we know about the vibrations, because example, when you feel a negative emotions, when you feel bad, that creates vibrations, and what you feel and what you thought creates the reality. And you were really surprised that everything goes wrong on that day because it vibrates what you thought. It shapes what you emotions created. So be very careful, because you are the one created the universe, the reality that you have in your life. You are the one who caused it, not anyone else. So hope this simple motivational talk you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.